one more service which you can do is this. I'm showing you this Wikaspedia.in. You know Wikipedia, right?
Yeah, sir.
तो Wikipedia जैसा है वैसे ही Wikaspedia भी है. This is Indian version. Okay. This is developed by CDAC, which is an Indian government organization. Okay. So here you can see lot of useful things in Indian languages like Kannada, Gujarati, Telugu, Malayalam, all that. Okay. Assami, Bengali. So select language. So in the select language, now everything is looking in Bharati script. Okay, right? See,
Yes.
this I will tell you. This is Assamiya. Okay. So let me convert back. Okay, I will go back settings. In the settings, you remember what we have to do? Settings, custom fonts. In that you have to change back. Okay. Okay, change back Arial. Okay, then change back Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Okay, like that. Then okay, like that. And this also sans serif. One minute.
Sir, can I take 2 minutes break?
Yeah, why not? 1 minute. Just you can take break. Okay, so I will again start recording. Why I'm recording also, I will tell you. There is nothing to hide over here. I'm trying to tell you what are the good opportunities for people who really want to utilize their time properly. So taking you as a medium, okay? I'm trying to tell some good points, okay? So Wikaspedia.in is a website developed by CDAC, where people who are simply sitting at home, unknowing of what to do, can start doing some useful work for the country and also for the whole society. So what you can do, select the language. Now you can see Kannada. Okay, I'll click Kannada. Okay. So you come down, lot of options are there. Okay. So different topics are there in Kannada itself. Okay. Education is there. Okay. Okay. Indian development about India. So like that, lot of things are there, right? So you can click on one of the topics. Okay. So let me just see. Just a minute. I will minimize the screen size, reduce the screen size so that I can see whatever things are there. Okay. Yeah. So first, let me see in Hindi because okay, it will be a little bit more comfortable for me. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, you can see here Krushi. Okay, Shiksha. Okay. So Shiksha means education. Okay. So Urja means electricity. Okay, like that. Okay. So let me go to Shiksha first, for example, education. Okay. So this is looking to me in Hindi, right? Same way I can get in, I am showing in Hindi, but you can get the same thing in Kannada also. Okay. You do afterwards. Okay. So here lot of things are there, useful things. Okay. Mostly you will have some stories also. See, for example, Bal Jagat. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, Bal Jagat. So let us just click and see what is there. Yeah, okay. So in Bal Jagat, you have, see, Kahani, Doodh Ki Kahani. Okay. So story of milk. बच्चों के लिए खेल और खिलौने. So these are small games for children. Okay. So you can click on this just for example. Okay. Okay. So again, you can click on this. You are getting some article. There is some article kind of thing. Okay. Right. So what I told, you can copy this now. Okay. You can copy this. I told no, you go here to the MS Office. You can paste it here. You can paste it here. Okay. The same thing you can do for Kannada. Okay. Now you copy the same story. You paste it again one more time. Okay. Same story came 2 times. Now you select the first time. You go to this conversion. You do Sundara Bharati. You say, and you took it from, this is taken from Vikas. Okay. Pedia.in. Okay. Like that you have to put, then go to save as, save with the PDF. Okay. Save as PDF. Remember all that procedure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, save as PDF file. Then you go to this, you go to the Bharati script thing. In this, you go little back. Yeah, in this, go to the transliterated works. There is something called transliterated works. Under the transliterated works, you click on something called Kannada. Just under the transliterated works, you click on Kannada. Then this will open. Here you come down. Okay, you click on contribute. In the contribute, you enter the book title. Okay, but it is not book now, it is website. So you simply type vikaspedia.in. Okay, author is you can say CDAC. Okay, sometimes they may mention the author name. If the suppose from where we are taking, if some name is there, you write that name. Otherwise, you simply type CDAC. Then genre is, it is a science article. Okay, science article. Or if it is a story, you write it as story, whatever it is. Okay, then your name. Then you click browse that PDF file. Okay, okay, browse that PDF file. Then you see the preview and click submit, like that. Okay, so this is one more service you can do for the country. You can also read this. You can tell your relatives, children also. Lot of good things are available, especially for children here. Even you can read this. Okay, in Kannada, you can read in Kannada. Okay, same thing whatever I showed, like this it will come in Kannada also. Okay, so and
Yes, sir.
if you know any good things, for example, the advantage here is you can become a volunteer here. See here, register is there, no? In the
Sir.
register, you can become a volunteer. You can write whatever science concepts. Suppose you are good in Java, you told. So you can explain the Java concept or any other computer related concept in Kannada. You can create a page here freely. Okay. After you log in here, you can create one new page with that explaining Java or explaining the C language. Okay, like that. Okay, understood? No? And
Yes, sir.
you will become a volunteer, and all this whatever you are doing, this kind of service, you can keep in your resume, you can keep in your CV. Okay, so whenever the company for which you are applying the job, they will see, did he do any social service? Yes, he has done. So let us give job to this person, like that. They will have some good impression on you also. Okay, anyhow, not for getting job, you should do all this. And if you do good works, people will recognize you at some point of time. Okay, you will also have satisfaction, right? Mainly, that is the main thing. Okay, so like this you can spend your time. One more option I will tell you. Let me tell you, there is some very good thing called LV Prasad Eye Institute. Okay, I will tell you one more service which you can do, which is very easy. Okay, so one more very good service which many people can do easily is, you open one moral story in Kannada. Okay, internet you can search and you can get lot of moral stories. You open that, you start reading that. When you start reading that, you
Okay,
can
sir.
audio record that. You can audio record that. So that story will be generally 3 minutes or 5 minutes. You audio record that, and then you send that. You can upload it in one website called archive.org. I am typing here. Okay, archive.org. In this website, you can upload the files freely. You upload the file there. That audio story you upload there. Then you send the link to me and also to your friends. Okay, your friends, your relatives, you can send. Okay, so I am typing my mail ID here. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Vikram Kumar dot volunteer. Okay, so I have typed my mail ID here. Okay, so like that you can send me, and you can send to your friends also, link only. Okay, so whenever you get some 5 minutes of time, free time, suppose your friend is calling you and telling that I will come to your house in say 10 minutes, like that. Suppose your friend is telling, in that 10 minutes what you will do, generally you will be simply waiting and you will be wasting that. 10 minutes of time. Instead of wasting that 10 minutes of time, within that short span, you can audio record one story and keep it ready. When the friend comes, you can give that as gift also. Okay. And you can send the same story to many people in WhatsApp also. And like that, you can spread good things. And one more thing you are doing in your mother tongue. So you are taking the mother tongue to next generation people also. Okay, like that. That is another service you can do for your mother tongue. Okay. Similarly, science stories. Similarly, whatever question answers you will have, some theory question answers will be there, no, in your BTech syllabus. Okay. Explain how what is the difference between call by value, call by reference. Okay. That you explain in Kannada. That answer you can audio record and that you can send to a lot of students and teachers. Then they will listen to that, and when they are writing exam, it will be useful for them. They can recall that and write the exam. Okay. So audio lessons creating is a very good service which you can do in your mother tongue. Okay. So whenever you are doing that, you upload in this website. I'm telling, no, archive.org. You send me a link to my mail ID also, so that I can also forward to many people. Okay. So thanks a lot. This is another service you can do. You can tell a lot of people. Okay.